How to connect Printful to Shopify. What's up guys, my name is Krause and in today's Shopify tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect the print-on-demand provider Printful onto your Shopify store. So to get started, open up the Printful website. I will also leave you a link for this in the description down below, and then make sure to sign up for a Printful account. Now this is going to be pretty straightforward. You can either sign up with email or also with Google, Apple or Facebook. In my case I'm just going to move forward with Google just to speed up this whole process right here. So I'm just going to click on continue right now, and then you will basically have to agree to this and you can then sign up for your Printful account. Now actually I'm just going to tick this right here. It doesn't really matter what you're going to tick either way, as you can actually just skip these questions. It doesn't really matter, okay? Then make sure to actually verify your Printful account by simply just clicking on the button. And after a couple of seconds right here, you can then confirm your email address and you can then open up your Printful account right here. Now, I assume most of you are already familiar with this. To get started, we can actually design a product right here. I will quickly do that. I will simply just create a new product, and right here we can then basically choose what we do want to design. In my case, I'm just going to go for a random blank t-shirt, I guess. So I'm just going to select that right here on the left, and I'm then going to go for this unisex organic cotton t-shirt. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started with this. I'm just going to add a text onto this and I'm going to name this subscribe. Okay, make sure to do so, and then I'm going to click to save to templates right here on the bottom right, and now this successfully got added right here. Alright, so to now actually connect your Printful account onto Shopify, you will have to head over to your Shopify dashboard and then navigate to settings right here on the bottom left, open up your apps and sales channel, and then open up the Shopify app store right here. Then you will simply just have to look for the Printful app. Now this is the app directly made from Printful on its own, and you will just have to install this. This is then going to take a couple of seconds, and then just click on install right here. And now this is going to be automatically added onto your Shopify store. And right here we are then going to have the option to connect this onto our Printful store. So once again, I used Google for this. So I'm just once again going to log in onto my Google account right here. And now we can actually connect the store to krausetutorials@gmail.com to my Google account, and then we are going to be redirected to Printful. Now I actually didn't create my first product right here, but basically you are now going to have the option to import all of your different products. You're then actually also going to have the option, let me show you this. As you can see, we do have this Printful app right here now available on Shopify. We can then add different kind of products from the product catalog right here. We can then even go further by setting up the settings. We can add products to our store automatically. We can set up billing, order samples, and a lot more. We all know that starting a successful Shopify store can be super hard. That's why I'm right now giving out my Shopify course for completely free. Now you're going to learn everything needed to actually streamline your Shopify success in that exact course. So make sure to click on the link down below to get started.